open up a Keynote, add a text, make it a large size, say around 150, and choose the text that you would like. Then change the color to grey. You'll need to then copy this one for as many letters that you have in the name or the title or whatever you are using it for. And then with Keynote you can space it out so that they're all evenly spaced. So do that. Make sure that when you type that if you don't want it to be a capital letter, you just press the little cross and it will go to a lowercase letter. Select all and move it to the middle. Select all again and then duplicate. Select a colour that you would like as the top colour. Now you're ready to animate. Press animate, add effect, and just go to appear, and you will see that the top colour will appear. You need to go to build order. Instead of waiting for the click, do build one after the other. I like to add about 0.35 seconds after. This will just help with the timing when you export it as a GIF. Then you might like to play it. Check that the letters go in the correct order. Happy with that? Now go to File, Export to, Animated GIF. That's all fine. Next. Choose where you want to save it, name your file, and then export. Now you have saved your work as a GIF file.